10 feet long and weighing an impressive 150 pounds. These are the largest living lizards on the planet. It's unusual to find large predators on islands. Yet for 4 million years, the Komodo dragon has dominated here. This giant, however, isn't looking for food. He's looking for a mate. Female dragons come into season only once a year. She is receptive. So far, so good. But he strayed into someone else's patch. Another huge male thinks he is the king here. Space being limited on islands, dragon territories overlap, and that creates continual conflict. In dragon society, size is everything. But if rivals are closely matched, the outcome can be uncertain. Muscular tails strike with the power of sledgehammers. And their serrated teeth are as sharp as steak knives. Each tries to topple his opponent. Defeated. Only the most powerful dragons win the right to mate.